when you're trying to sleep better, what is something that's easy and the first thing you could think of that is impeding your sleep? Is it kids in the bed? You may have to make some changes in the family dynamics, maybe a family effort. Are there pets in your bed? Gonna have to get them out. Do you have a snoring spouse? Their habit and lack of health cannot trump your need for good sleep. They need to make their health a priority or get out. And I'm speaking from experience, and I'm not the snorer. But if someone else is preventing you from sleeping, that has to be dealt with. So first, pick the low-hanging fruit. What's preventing you from getting a good night's sleep? Start there.